Give video Northrop Grumman. Just revealed new concept of U.S. Navy. 6th Gen FAXX fighter jet official concept art. Unveiled, Northrop Grumman published a sleek FAXX rendering on its naval aviation portal with the tagline, Project Power Anywhere, showing the jet ready on a carrier deck, Navy times the aviationist. Stealth-focused design. The image features a streamlined airframe with blended wing fuselage surfaces, a long pointed nose likely housing an ESA radar, and a cockpit canopy optimized for visibility. The war zone, Zona Militar, unique air intake layout. Noticeably, the intakes are placed atop the fuselage, one of the more unconventional stealth approaches. This may be a placeholder, rather than the final design, the war zone. Carrier. Specific features. Visible elements include heavy-duty landing gear and a launch bar, indicating its readiness for carrier operations, the aviationist, the war zone. Advanced capabilities. Highlighted, the FAXX is envisioned with AI-assisted systems, manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT, and a 25% increase in range compared to current Navy fighters. The aviationist Zona Militar program. Status: ambition meets uncertainty. Despite the exciting visuals, the FAXX remains on uncertain footing. Funding and strategic priorities. The FY 2026 budget included only $74 million for the program, prompting the Navy to request an additional $1.4 billion through its unfunded priorities list. The aviationist Zona Militar industrial capacity concerns. There address ongoing debate within the Pentagon and the White House that the defense industry might not be able to support both the Navy FAXX and the Air Force AS competing F-47 initiative simultaneously. Axios +1. Political support and pushback. Admiral Daryl Caudle, the Navy's nominee for Chief of Naval Operations, strongly advocated for the FAXX's strategic importance during his confirmation hearing, emphasizing the need to maintain naval air dominance. Axios. Navy versus Air Force competition. While Northrop Grumman and Boeing are the remaining contenders for the FAXX, after Lockheed Martin's exclusion, momentum might be tipping toward the Air Force's F-47 program for now.